Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angel's Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 6 concept of cost. And you know that means in my previous video we have discussed some numerical questions of this chapter. But today means again we are going to discuss some numerical questions of this chapter. See, question number first is here. If firm is producing 20 units, firm is producing how many units? Means 20. So Q is equal to 20 units. And at this level of output, ATC means AC, and ABC are respectively equal to rupee 40 and rupee 30. So AC is equal to rupee 40 and ABC is equal to rupee 37. Now find out the total fixed cost. Total fixed cost means TFC. So what is the formula of TFC? You know that TC minus TVC, or you can say TFC is equal to AFC into Q. AFC into Q. Now see, so I will use, or you can say I am going to use this formula here, because see, now AC is given and ABC is given, so you know that what is the formula of TC? AC into Q. So 20 into 40 means rupee 800. And what is the formula of TVC? ABC into Q. 37 into 20 rupee 740. And what is the formula of TFC? TC minus TVC. So 800 minus 740 means rupee 60 will be the final answer of this question. So I hope all of you have understood how you calculate value of TFC. Means you will use this formula, because AC is given here and ABC is given here. So you will calculate first of all TC with the help of AC and Q, and then after you will calculate TVC with the help of ABC and Q. TC is equal to rupee 800, TVC is equal to ABC into Q means rupee 740, and TFC formula of TFC is TC minus TVC. 800 minus 740 means rupee 60. So I hope all of you have understood. So please pause the video and note down this. See next question. TC rises from rupee 30 to rupee 55. It means that TC, see, rupee 30 to rupee 55 when the output increases from 5 units to 6 units, means TC 5 is equal to rupee 30 from 5 units to 6 units means, and TC 6 is equal to rupee 55. Find out the MC of 6th unit. It means we have to find MC of 6 unit. See, what is the formula of MC? MCN is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1. TCN minus TCN minus 1. But means here we have to find MC6. So see, you will write 6 in place of N. MC6 is equal to TC6 minus 6 minus 1 means TC5. So I hope all of you have understood. So find value of MC6. MC6 is equal to TC6 minus TC5. 55 minus 30. So answer will be 25. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate MC6, means marginal cost of 6th unit. Always remember what do you mean by marginal in economy. Always remember in economics meaning of marginal means additional. So I hope please pause the video and note down this. See third question. The total cost of producing 9 units of output is rupee 85. Total cost of producing 9 units of output is rupee 85. If average total cost of producing 10 units is rupee 10, then what will be the marginal cost? What will be the marginal cost of producing this level of output? See, how will you solve this? First of all, the total cost of producing 9 units of output is rupee 85. So you will write TC9. TC9 because total cost of producing 9 units of output. TC9 is equal to rupee 85. This is clear. See, suppose the total cost of producing 8 units of output, then you will write TC8. Suppose 7 units of output, then you will write TC7. So I hope it is clear. See, if average total cost of producing 10 means AC 10 is equal to rupee 10 and quantity 10 units, rupee 10 units. See, then what will be the marginal cost of producing this level of output? It means we have to find MC10. MC10. So I hope, see, now with the help of this and this, we can find TC10 because what is the formula of TC? See, what is the formula of TC? AC into Q. AC into Q. AC is given here and Q is also here. So AC 10 into 10, or you can say AC 10 into Q. AC 10 is equal to means 10 into 10. So you will write means 100 rupee 100. But see, now what is the formula of MC? MC is equal to TCN minus 1. But we have to find here MC10. MC10. So please put, or you can say write 10 in place of N. TC 10 minus 1 means 9. So formula will be this. So MC10 is equal to TC10 minus TC9. TC10 means 100 and TC9 means 85. So rupee 15 is the final answer. So I hope all of you have understood means how will you calculate this question. See next question. When output increases from 40 units to 55 units, how will you solve this? See, delta Q means that output means Q relates to output. So change in Q will be equal to 15 units. TC increases from rupee 2500 to rupee 3250. It means delta TC. Delta TC means change in TC. Rupee means 3250 minus 2500. So you will get 750. See, now what is the formula of MC? You know that, but we can't use this formula here. So you will use MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. So MC is equal to change in TC divided by change in Q. 750 divided by 15. So answer will be rupee 50. So I hope all of you have understood means how will you calculate MC in this type of question. So please pause the video and note down this. See question number 5. The total cost of a firm increased by rupee 4 means 450. By means delta. By means delta, or you can say by means change. So how will you solve this question? Total cost of FF increased by means change, and see change in TC is equal to rupee 450. When production increased from 12 units to 15 units means change in output is equal to 3 units. Calculate marginal cost of the firm. So you will use this formula. MC is equal to change in TC divided by change in Q. 450 divided by 3. So this will be the final answer. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. See next question. The AC means the average cost of 5 units means AC 5 is rupee 6, and AC of producing 6 units means AC 6 is equal to rupee 5, and according to this Q5 mean Q is 5 units, and according to this 6 units. Calculate the MC of 6th unit. Calculate the MC of 6th unit means we have to find MC6. You know that what is the formula of MC? N is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1, but total cost is not given here. So first of all we will find total cost. See, now according to this TC5 is equal to AC5 into Q means 6 into 5. Is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. 6 into 5 means rupee 30, and according to this TC6 is equal to AC6 into Q. So 5 into 6. 5 into 6. It means again rupee 30. Now MC6. Is it clear? So MC6 is equal to TC6 minus TC5. So 30 minus 30 will be 0. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. Means your answer will be 0. So please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Calculate the weekly total cost and average variable cost. Or you calculate the weekly total cost and average variable cost to find TC or to find AVC. Means first of all we will find TFC and TVC, but means you can't find TFC and TVC if you don't know the example of TFC and TVC. So first of all, to solve this type of question means first of all see I am writing here the example of TFC and TVC means then you will understand better. See TFC. What are the example of TFC? Rent, insurance premium, salary of permanent staff, and interest on loan. So these are the example of total fixed cost, because you know that total fixed cost remain constant at all levels of output. What does it mean? It means whether output is large, small, and even zero. Rent amount will be same, insurance premium amount will be same, salary of permanent staff will be same, or you can say interest on loan will remain constant or same. But what are the example of TBC? Expenditure on raw material and wages of casual labor. Casual labor means non-permanent, casual staff, or you can say electricity charges, etc. See, now first of all we will find TFC. See, rent is given here. Now rent is here, so 400. Insurance premium is not given here. Salary of permanent staff is not given here. And interest on loan is not given here. So it means TFC will be rupee 400. What is TBC? Expenditure on raw material 1600. Wages of casual staff. See, weekly wage of each worker means rupee 200. Weekly wage of each worker rupee 200. But number of workers employed is equal to 50. So it means 200. This is the wages of one worker. But in question, number of workers employed 50. Plus electricity charges. See, power relates to electricity. So 300. 1600 plus this is 10,000 plus 300. See, now 11,900. This is total variable cost. But see, what is the formula of TC? TC is equal to TVC plus TFC. TVC is 11,900 and TFC means 400. So answer will be 12,300. So this is the final answer of means TC, rupee 12,300. But see, how will you calculate ABC? So you know that what is the formula of ABC? TVC divided by Q, and TVC is here 11,900 and Q is, see, number of units produced per week means 100. So Q is equal to 100. So divide by 100 means we will get rupee 190. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate, or you can say how will you solve this type of question. First of all, you will calculate TFC and TVC. Then you can find any type of cost means TC, ABC, AC, AFC. I hope all of you have understood means this question. First of all, now first of all we will calculate total fixed cost. Then after we will calculate total variable cost, and what is the formula of TC? TVC plus TFC is equal to this, and so final answer is rupee 12,300. And ABC, TVC divided by Q. Q is 100 units. Q is equal to 100 units. So 11,900 divided by 100. So you will get ABC is equal to rupee 119. So please pause the video and note down this.